Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing. This big box just came in and it says made to fit your order, which is really cool. So apparently it's a box that was made to fit the size of my order, which this is the first time I've got a box like this. And it looks like it has to be opened from the side here. So, I don't know. Or does it just push out? No, it shows them prying it open from the side. Just give me a second, you guys. It's not as easy as they make it look. The box just broke. These are not easy to open and they're making a mess. But I got it open. And it was protected, so that's what counts. So let's see what we have in here. And I've got little cardboard everywhere because I had to open that up. But let's see what we have. Are you ready? Ta-da! I finally, after all these years, bought a foldable LED ring light studio box. And I just got a tiny one to see if I like it. And this was on sale. It's regular price only $15.47. And I got mine for $12 and I want to say 50 cents, 48 cents. I only paid $12.48 for this. So there's 6 color backgrounds. It's just a box. And there's like an area at the top with an LED light. It could be plugged into your computer or any kind of adapter. And it says it has high brightness, no strobe, high color, and it's foldable so you can just package it up easily. And on the back, it says it has high CRI, color, temperature, ring fill light board, built-in stone pattern cloth, good condensing effect. I have no idea what that means. Portable, easy to assemble folding. Suitable for shooting tiny projects such as jewelry, accessories, toys, watches, gadgets, and other items. And here's some LED specifications if you're interested in that. And here is more information. And I will put a link if you're interested in reading more. And of course, made in China. So let's open it up right here. And we have some tape where it's taped up. So it was shipped really nicely. Basically, very secure. I'm very impressed with how they shipped it. And let's just turn it around and open it up the right way. Are you ready? It's just a box. I'm very excited. I'm always excited. I love shopping. It's like, I think, my #1 hobby. And it says Poulas. Please. Poulas. Poulas. Poulas? I don't know how to pronounce that. Photo accessories. And look, you guys. So it comes with a nice little bag, a box to keep it in. I like that box. Yes, I'm old. Yes, I like boxes. And it comes with a little bag. Like a little tote bag with handles. They got a little bit wrinkled. There's a little fastener here where you could close it or open it. Let me see if I can get it on camera to show you. Can you see that? And just black on the back. It's a canvas bag. And let's see what we have. So it looks like here are our photo backing colors. Oh, I assumed that this would be cloth, but it's not cloth. It feels kind of like a placemat, like just a plastic placemat. Can you see that texture? It's a little bit see-through. So we have 10. Let's just, I'm going to fold them. This is how big they are open. They don't fit on the camera. So we have a tan one. We have a very bright green one, which would be cool because with a green screen, you could put whatever background you want, right? Black, white, red, and a really pretty blue color. So those are our background colors. And it comes with a warning. Warning, keep away from water. Well, yeah, obviously. And it comes with a little certificate, and it passed something or other. I don't know. And it comes with a little pamphlet showing you how people use it. Just taking a picture of some jewelry with it all white on the inside. And then the user's manual comes in different languages. So if you want to take a quick look, I'll just do this. And now we're in French. So there's 2 pages of every language. So just the very first page is English. I'm not impressed that the question and answers are what causes flickering light and what causes weak light, when it said right away it is a bright non-flickering light. So we have a little hatch where if you want to take pictures facing down, I guess you can. I don't know, maybe you can't, because there's a silver thing here, but it's not open yet. So let's just open this up. It just folds open like one of those storage cubes. And I'm sorry the camera is not big enough to show it, you guys. It's not far enough away. But let me just show you here. It comes with this. And this to plug it in. So when you see in here, I don't know if you could see, there's more cord inside. Then I'm just going to poke through the hole because my cord is not long enough. So if you think you have a short cord, you don't. It's just some of it is on the inside. And it's just wrapped up. Probably so it's neat while it was being packaged. But if you only undo the first little packet like this, your cord will not be long enough. So you need to undo the second one to get a cord that's long enough. And then you just open up your box. I'm assuming this is the top. So you open up your box and you can see it's like one of those foldable boxes. And I think if you just bring that piece down, did you see how it just fell down? And set it in place like that, then you have a box that stays open. And there's some Velcro here. Oh no, it's just a little strap. Here's the lights. It's all silver on the inside. So before I put any color in here, let me just, okay, so you guys, this is what it looks like on the inside without the light. And now I am just going to plug this into my computer. Here's my hand inside. So it's a nice size. I believe this is 12 inches by 12 inches, but let me just check. Yeah, this is just under 12 by 12 inches. It's 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches. Sorry about the mess in my room. I have a bunch of stuff piled up that I need to unbox. So yeah, that's what it looks like with just the silver. And it's used to take pictures. And up here there is a little hatch that you could open. And you could set your camera down. I would have to turn my camera around. You set your camera down. And you can take a picture inside it. Depending on where your camera thing is. So hello. So that's what it looks like, just silver. Okay? These are earrings that I crocheted. They're just very simple. So let's see what they look like in here with just the silver background. And let's zoom in. So yeah, I don't think it's meant for just the silver background. So let's take one of the colors. So I don't know. I'm sorry, this isn't ideal, but do you see this strap? I'm just going to take this white card thing, this white background thing, and make sure it's fitting in behind here. And here's what it looks like with just the white inside. So now let's take those same little brown earrings, my little flowers, and put these inside. And let's just zoom in like I was going to take a picture. So that's how they would look like just with my camera on the stand. And that's how they would look like with my camera off the stand, zooming in. And if I tilt the camera down. So yeah, it looks really good. And if I put them closer to the back, what happens if I do that? I don't know. Okay, now let's open the hatch. Let's open the hatch and kind of look down. So if I put the camera like that and I zoom in, I could take a picture that way if I wanted. And move them around. And, well, it's spring pretty soon. Today's the first day of spring. Here is a little keychain I made. I diamond painted that. So I would be able to take a picture just like that and have a white background if I wanted. It looks pretty. And I have 2 other ones. So what if I wanted to take a picture of all 3 of them? These are the 3 that I have left over. I gave all the rest away as gifts. If I zoom the camera out a little bit, so I could just take a picture like that, and I could just crop out what I don't want showing, which is this corner over here. And it's just because my camera, where the camera is, it's on the corner. So you'd still have to edit these if you wanted to do the hatch down. But if you just want to hold it in your hand, you could probably arrange it without editing. Really pretty. So you guys, I also have some other earrings that I made. They're double-sided. These have little bunnies. These are just made from cardboard. And this side has a little raccoon on a bike. And they're dangly. So that would look pretty in there. Okay, guys, here it is with the green background. And I've got one of my little leprechaun cards, my ACEO cards here. I think it looks really nice. I have it just leaning up against the back. But I could also put it down and hold it down. And I could also hold the camera over it like this. And then just make it bigger and have it fit like that. I'd have to play with it. I'm going to have to play with how to use it. Just because of where the camera is. I'm just using my phone and the camera's on the very edge of the phone. But if you were using a regular camera that you could just point down where the lens is in the middle, it would be a lot easier to figure out, like, for spacing. But I think that looks super cute. And I mean, let's zoom this out a little bit more. That's what it looks like through the hole. How can you not love something that comes with a little hatch? That is so cute. So these are just tiny little cards. So if I wanted to take a picture of just holding it with my hand, I would have to zoom in on my camera so you can't see the sides. And I could hold it like this and get a really nice picture of that on a green background. Or the blue background, or the red background, or the black, or the tan. Super cool. Yeah, I love this little Palouse photo. I don't know, what would you call it? A cube? A photo cube? No, they call it a studio Lightbox. This is a mini photo studio Lightbox with 6 color backdrops. It was only $12.48. Right now it's $15.47. But if you're like me and you shop at 3 in the morning, you will probably see it go on sale again, because I swear the prices are always a little bit lower at 3 in the morning. But anyway, I'm going to stop babbling. That is it for this unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Bye, guys.